should I sell a property I no longer live at, or should I rent it out? I get that question a lot, so I wanted to put this out. Hopefully we go through this process and I can help you with that decision. So the first reason you may want to sell property rather than rent it out is if the property is in a neighborhood that has appreciated a lot, and by selling it, you will make a good amount of money that you can either use for yourself, or maybe you can invest in another property that's going to give you a higher monthly cash flow versus the renting out that subject property. The second reason you would probably want to sell a property is if the property itself needed so much repair, so much money to be put into the property so that you can rent it out, that it may not necessarily make sense. Another reason that you may want to sell the property instead of renting it is if you don't necessarily care to be a landlord. Now, these things can actually, be fixed, that one particular thing, because there are companies out there that can be property managers, can help you with the property management. My company actually helps our clients with property management as well. But you know what? Sometimes landlord, it's not a thing for you. So in that scenario, then you may also want to sell your property. When would you decide to rent out your property? Well, if the property, if you can cash flow from the property really well, like it's giving you a lot of monthly income in comparison to your mortgage and the other expenses that you have on the property, that's a good idea. If it's a good area for rentals, so you get good quality tenants, that's also a good idea. Another reason why you may want to rent out your property is because maybe there's nothing else that you can do with that money, right? So there you have it. Those are different things that you should consider when you're making a decision. Clearly, reaching out to a real estate professional may help you a lot better to determine which decision will be best for you. So don't skip that step. Call somebody that you trust, somebody who has experience, and hopefully they can help you make the right decision for you and your family. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.